I was asked, what do you think the biggest behavior is that creates wealth? And I think it's having an inspiring future, having dreams and having goals. You can look at an investment portfolio, and say it's really basic. Say it's just your own home, an investment house. Maybe you got some shared portfolios, blue chip shares, something safe like that, and your superannuation fund. But what is the point of having all this? What is the dream? What is the aspiration that's in the center that it's all driving you towards? Do you know what the future self, your future self, really wants to be like, really wants to enjoy, really wants to have? Write that down, and that will guide you to a dollar number. And when you guide to a dollar number, then you will start to invest in your future self. That is perhaps the biggest behavior for really creating wealth, designing your future.